Well, I'm delighted to be here with Debbie. And Debbie, we're going to be talking about this new product. So first of all, tell me where we're at. Why are we here with the garden?
Well, we are here in a senior living community in Portland to talk about Eldergrow, which is a therapeutic horticultural wellness program for our elders in our community to engage in significant, meaningful ways by bringing nature indoors in this wonderful garden cart that you see here.
Because you really, the people that started this, they really believe that gardening has a very positive effect on our humanity, even as we age.
Yes, and scientifically that's been proven. It has a 36% decrease in, it is shown to have a 36% decrease in dementia. But it's also, all the positive things are the mental and the physical stimulation that it provides. It encourages better sleep, it elevates your mood. It's just a wonderland of sensory stimulations. It's great.
So then Eldergrow it has the name on this actual, I guess, little tiny portable garden, doesn't it?
Yes, it is a portable garden.
Tell me about this whole garden here.
It is a wonderful creation that we build in partnership with a company that provides job training and employment for disabled veterans. And also other people with disabilities. Right. But it's very custom built. It has a particular kind of grow lights that provide for healthy growth of plants, but also blooming plants, which you don't find, when you can't get to the sun, you have to have a certain kind of light to create the blooms. And then it has it's pesticide-free soil that we fill it with, and obviously all non-toxic plants, so that the residents who have sensitive skin, aren't getting anything that will irritate them, for any reason. It's mobile, so it can be moved out to where the residents are.
Or anywhere.
Or anywhere. And it has little foot pedal, brake pedals on each of the, on each of the wheels underneath, so that it's safe. It's designed so that people in wheelchairs or chairs or walkers can either stand by or sit by the garden.
Yeah, I was noticing while they're working here, this is Bruce and Shirley, I noticed that, he's actually in his walker sitting down.
Yep.
So it reaches, it's accessible to everybody.
It is accessible to everybody because no matter what ability level your resident is at, they can do something.
Right,
they can smell, they can touch and feel.
All of the senses are interactive.
All of the senses are engaged.
Besides just therapeutic gardening, you go beyond those concepts.
We have another program, which is our culinary garden program, our culinary herb garden program. And it's a garden just like this one, but we provide all the herbs, and then the chefs at different communities use those herbs in recipes that we also provide, as well as activities. For example, this month was lemon verbena. So we sent lemon verbena to add to their cart and their garden of herbs, and then we also sent the recipes, and then we sent the activity, which was to create a perfume out of lemon verbena.
Wow.
Yeah, so they do that as well, and that's really fun. That is a DIY farm to fork program.
So I think it should be mentioned that this isn't just a Portland area thing.
No, indeed not. It is one of over 150 gardens that we have throughout the country. We're in 20 different states right now, and we are growing.
Okay, Debbie, so I get the product here and everything, but that means that the plants are also with this product. They're sent with it. And then there's different types of programs so that they can get like herbs and flowers. Tell me about that.
Absolutely. The therapeutic horticultural program, which is sort of the workhorse of Eldergrow, is provided when the communities acquire one of these gardens, and with that also comes an educator such as myself. Twice monthly we come in with a new plant to teach the residents about, and they help plant it. And then we also have all sorts of lessons that we do that range from gardening, of course, to nature and artwork and just
it's a whole host of different things.
Cooking classes,
right.
And that's really a way that we connect with them, and that's what we're trying to do. And for example, we just had a class called Pruning and Pressing, and I taught the residents about how to prune a plant properly, and they all got involved in that. And then we pressed flowers that we're
Nice.
going to do in another project later on.
Right.
But it connected with one of the residents in such a way that it was like 20 years just fell off of her face.
Wonderful, wonderful.
She really remembered something.
So then, Debbie, how do people get information about this program and how they might interact with it? What do they do? Where do they go?
Well, you can go to eldergrow.org, and I'll have all the information there for you and how to connect with the people that, if you're interested in acquiring one of the gardens, and then we'll take care of the rest.
Wonderful. Well, I think most of us that actually are passionate about garden realize that all of us age, and as we age, we don't stop loving to garden. So if you're thinking, this is interesting, I want some more information, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website. Debbie, what an absolute delight, my friend. Thank you.
Thank you.